Discover the magic of point of view in creative writing. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of creative writing, the point of view. We'll uncover why it holds such a significant place in storytelling and how it can transform the way your readers engage with your narratives. At its core, point of view, POV, refers to the lens or perspective through which a story is told. Think of it as the eyes and mind of the narrative. Are we listening to the inner thoughts of the main character? Or are we an outside observer, watching the story unfold? The choice of POV can make a dramatic difference in how a story feels and how closely readers connect with the characters. There are several types of POV. 1. First person. Told from the perspective of a character using I or we. 2. Second person. The narrator speaks directly to the reader using you. This is less common but can be very engaging. 3. Third person limited. The story is about he, she, or they, but we only get the inner thoughts of one character. 4. Third person omniscient. The narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all the characters in the story. Choosing the right POV can determine how intimate or distant the reader feels to the story's events and characters. Here's why POV is so essential. 1. Emotional connection. First person might draw readers into a deep emotional bond with the protagonist. 2. Tension and mystery. Third person limited can keep certain details hidden, creating suspense. 3. World building. Third person omniscient can offer a broad view of the world, society, or multiple characters' feelings and backgrounds. 4. Unique narration. Second person can offer an unconventional storytelling approach, making your story stand out. Ultimately, your choice of POV will shape the reader's entire experience of your story. 1. Consider your story's needs. If your story revolves around personal growth, first person might be ideal. For a mystery, third person limited might work best. 2. Experiment. Don't be afraid to rewrite a scene from various POVs to see which one feels right. 3. Consistency is key. Once you've chosen a POV, stick with it to avoid confusing the reader. There we have it. The magical world of point of view in creative writing. Remember, the lens you choose will not only impact how your story is told but also how it's received. Experiment, be consistent, and choose what best serves your narrative. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of POV. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.